This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal first, before disconnecting the positive cable. Flip up the protective cover, then loosen the nut and disconnect the positive cable from the battery. If the battery posts or cables need cleaning, clean them with a battery brush to ensure a clean connection. Clean up any debris from around the battery. Note that this step is better performed with the battery removed. Remove the hold-down clamp from the battery. Carefully lift the battery out of the tray. Always keep the battery in an upright position to reduce the possibility of electrolyte spills. Install the battery onto the tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp. The clamp fasteners should be evenly snug, but over-tightening them may damage the battery case. Connect the battery cable for the positive terminal first, tightening the bolt securely. Secure the positive terminal cover over the terminal. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolt securely.